So, crazy bookie man, bookie paws, beanie butt. Him Catry came. He's a little angry. But show him the Catry bookie butt. It's okay. They can look at it too. I might drop the link, might not drop the link. It came from Timo, so you know I got it up at a good old point. But you're gonna watch me put it together. Yeah.
Helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. My still done.
It's done.
I was done. There's only one more piece in.
So, the finished product.
Yeah.
Dude is naked. He's just trying to be all over the camera.
Tiger.
He sat here and fell asleep watching me do it. But here's the taste test. Let's see if he like his new house. Can you go to the side, Bookie butt?
Tiger, go in there. Bye.
Okay, Booty, get out the camera.
Okay. Like you just like trying to climb there. You can get up there, jump. Well, he's just trying to itchy because he's itchy and he's scratching